Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So in this video I will making some analysis on some currency pairs. So before I get started, please, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and like this video. So let's start. First, let's check the Euro USD pairs. Let's check the Euro USD. We are looking at the Euro USD pairs currently. What I'm expecting of Euro USD to do this coming week is Euro USD should, before the end of this week, it was a buy trade. It was a sell trade, sorry. And look at it, Euro USD started coming down, and I'm expecting USD to come to this particular trend line, have a little bounce, and then come do a drop bottom, then go up and then continue like that. That's what I'm expecting of Euro USD to do this coming week. And it's also possible for Euro USD to break down this trend, and they might be seeing Euro USD around this particular level. Do you understand? So hopefully this coming week Euro USD should buy all the way from 1.1 or 17 level. So I'm expecting Euro USD to buy from that place. So I'm expecting to sell up to this trend line, this support trend line, then have a bounce and then move up. But if Euro is to break this trend line downward, then you should be expecting a further sell trade. Expecting a further sell downward again. So that's for Euro USD. Let's look at gold. If you look at gold, actually I was expecting gold to bounce back from this point, but when it did this strong candle that broke through this trend line, so I knew it was a sell trade all the way for all these points from this trend line, and it's currently now at this support zone. So I'm still expecting I'm expecting gold to make some bounce around this point to form like a double bottom also, or should make a good formation around this point, then before going up again. So I'm expecting like a buy trade around this zone for gold, and it's also possible for gold to break this trend line down. If gold should break this trend line downward, that means we are expecting a more sell trade from gold. If this support trend line can't hold the trend, that means we are expecting a sell trade if we should break this trend line downward. So, but I don't expect gold to do that, but anything can happen in the market. Nothing is 100%. So that's for gold. So let's also check NZD USD. If you have to look at NZD USD pair, currently NZD USD is giving a rejection from this level, from this particular support level. And if you look at it, there's a trend line that passes through that level. A cross trend, there's a cross trend around that level. So I'm expecting this particular level to hold this trend. I'm expecting it to bounce back from this particular level and take a little bounce from this point. I'm expecting to form this from this level to go up, cross there, then break up, then continue. That's what I'm expecting for Euro USD. But the worst thing that Euro USD can do is to fall to this trend line. So fall to this region 0.7, then continue to movement and go up. So that is a possible thing which NZD USD can do in this coming week. So also let's also check AUD USD. AUD USD also is currently at a support level, which before the end of this week it gave us good rejection from that particular support level. So I'm expecting USD to buy this coming week. Should buy this coming week, and this is what I'm expecting from AUD. I'm expecting AUD to buy from there, move up, go down a little bit, then break up, then continue like that and touch this resistance trend line, then later come down again. So I'm expecting a buy trade from AUD this coming week, and if AUD should break this particular trend line, that means you should be expecting a sell trade from AUD. So but I'm more of on a buy trade this coming week than a sell trade on AUD unless if you break this particular trend line, then you can have a sell trade. Also looking at GPUSD currently, what I was expecting before the end of last week was GPUSD should bounce back from this trend line, which it did, and to also bounce back from this support level, which has not done before this week actually closed. So but this coming week I'm expecting to do this, but it's possible for this GPUSD to come down to this particular trend line. It's very possible for it to come down to that level, to come down to this line, this particular, to come and test the trend line, come to this level, then have a little bounce up, come down, then bounce up, continue. So this is what I'm expecting GPUSD to do. So if this particular level support zone can hold GPUSD, it's supposed to come down. And if this particular support zone should hold GPUSD, then you should be expecting this from GPUSD. If this place should bounce, it will bounce. So then it will use this trend line to break through, come down, and retake this place, then go up again. So this is what GPUSD will do in this coming week. But it will buy from this point to this trend line, which is like 1.4, then cross it down again, push it down to this level, because this is a strong trend line. Push it down, then return back to the formation, then continue to go up. So that I'm expecting from GPUSD. So let's look at one more pair before we end. So looking at Euro JPY, those I'm expecting of Euro JPY, in which it was doing part of it before this week actually closed. So I was expecting Euro JPY to touch this trend line, but it's only touching this trend line. It's still giving some rejection on this trend line, which is possible for the trend line to push it down to this support level, then before returning up again. But if a particular candle can break this trend line, it's possible. It's very, very possible, which the probability is very high for you to get a bounce back from this trend line and come and it takes this point B before returning up. So that's what I'm expecting of this currency pairs this coming week. I hope you guys have a good trade and more ITM in the coming week. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, I want you to subscribe and like this video, and also press the notification button so that once another content is uploaded in this channel, you will be notified. Thank you very much. Have a blessed week.